What if you could upgrade your home, workspace, garage, and even your daily routine with a few incredible gadgets? From futuristic tech and smart tools to innovative devices that actually make life easier, these are some of the coolest gadgets you can buy right now. You're watching RevX. If you love discovering amazing tech, hit that subscribe button so you never miss our latest finds. And if something catches your eye, you'll find all the product links in the description. Let's dive in.
Running out of storage while recording? This tiny SSD has you covered. The Fanchang PS2200 magnetically snaps onto your iPhone 15 or newer, giving you ultra-fast external storage wherever you go. With transfer speeds up to 2050 megabytes per second, it's perfect for recording 4K ProRes video, editing large files, or backing up your content in seconds. The durable metal body keeps it cool, while customizable RGB lighting adds a premium touch. Small enough to fit in your pocket, but fast enough for professional creators alike.
What if you could stream one screen to multiple displays without a single cable? The AIM-A-Bow wireless HDMI extender lets you mirror your content to up to 8 screens with plug-and-play setup. No Wi-Fi, no Bluetooth, and no complicated configuration. Enjoy smooth 1080p at 60 Hz with 4K decoding, ultra-low latency, and a wireless range of up to 656 feet in open spaces. Whether it's for presentations, sports, gaming, digital signage, or home entertainment, this gadget makes multi-screen streaming effortless.
This isn't science fiction. It's a lamp that literally floats. Using magnetic levitation technology, this 3D printed moon lamp hovers and slowly spins in mid-air with no visible support. Choose from 16 vibrant colors, adjust the brightness, or switch between dynamic lighting effects using the included remote. Powered wirelessly through electromagnetic induction, it creates a stunning centerpiece for your desk, bedroom, or office. It's one of those gadgets that instantly grabs everyone's attention the moment they walk into the room.
Your desk works better when everything has its place. This desktop whiteboard organizer combines a dry erase writing surface, keyboard stand, and hidden storage into one clean setup. Jot down reminders, to-do lists, or quick notes, then wipe them away in seconds. The built-in drawer keeps markers and small accessories out of sight, while the top tray holds your phone or tablet within easy reach. It's a simple upgrade that keeps your workspace organized, productive, and clutter-free.
This isn't just a clock, it's the ultimate desk upgrade. The Vacuum TimesGate features 5 vibrant LCD screens that display pixel art, animations, weather, world clocks, gaming stats, stock prices, and more, all synced over Wi-Fi. Customize it with millions of community-made designs or create your own using the app. With its futuristic cyberpunk design, it transforms any gaming setup or workspace into something that looks straight out of the future. It's the kind of desk gadget everyone asks about. Still squinting to check the time? This 16-inch LED digital wall clock features giant, easy-to-read numbers that display the time, date, day, and temperature from across the room. The built-in RGB nightlight adds a modern touch with multiple color options, while the remote control lets you adjust settings without getting up. It even supports automatic brightness and daylight saving time, making it the perfect smart clock for your home, office, or bedroom.
Still wasting time looking for your keys? This wireless key finder helps you locate lost items with the push of a button. Just press the matching color on the remote, and the receiver responds with a loud 80 decibel beep and a flashing LED light, making it easy to find keys, wallets, remotes, luggage, or even your pet's collar. With a range of up to 131 feet and no phone or app required, it's one of those simple gadgets you'll wonder how you ever lived without.
Tired of holding your phone for hours? This third-generation Lysen phone holder keeps your phone exactly where you want it, whether you're watching videos in bed, recording content, or following a recipe in the kitchen. Its aviation-grade metal arm stays rock solid, while upgraded shock-absorbing joints let you adjust the angle with just one hand.
The one-click phone release makes docking effortless, and the universal clamp works almost anywhere. It's the hands-free upgrade you'll end up using every single day.
What if your full-size keyboard could fit in your pocket? This foldable Bluetooth keyboard unfolds into a comfortable, full-size layout, then folds down small enough to slip into your bag. Connect up to 3 devices at once and switch between your laptop, tablet, and phone with a single tap. The built-in multi-touch trackpad means you don't even need a mouse, while the rechargeable battery lasts up to 70 hours on a single charge. It's the perfect travel companion for work, school, or life on the go.
Dropped a screw where your hand can't reach? This tool has you covered. The ever-bright magnetic pickup tool set helps you retrieve lost nuts, bolts, keys, and metal parts without taking everything apart. One tool features a bright LED light and a 360-degree swivel magnetic head to reach tight spaces behind engines and workbenches. The second ultra-slim telescoping magnet slides into narrow gaps with ease. Compact, durable, and perfect for any garage. It's one of those tools you'll be glad to have when you need it most.
This isn't just a desk gadget, it's your workspace's cutest little assistant. With a retro pixel display, adorable animated characters react to the room's temperature and humidity in real time. It also reminds you to drink water and take movement breaks, helping you stay healthy during long work sessions. The mechanical joystick makes switching between animations fun, while the rechargeable battery keeps it running for days. Part desk decor, part smart monitor, and 100% conversation starter.
One USB-C port shouldn't limit your entire setup. This 10-in-1 USB-C docking station instantly transforms your laptop into a complete workstation. Connect a 4K 60Hz monitor, high-speed USB devices, SD cards, Ethernet, audio gear, and power, all through a single cable. It even includes programmable shortcut buttons, a volume control knob, and customizable RGB lighting to streamline your workflow. With a 100-watt power adapter included and plug-and-play compatibility for Windows, Mac, and more, it's the desk upgrade every power user needs. Tired of your coffee going cold before you finish it? This smart heated mug keeps every sip at the perfect temperature with 3 heat settings or precise control through the companion app. Enjoy up to 4.7 hours of wireless warmth, or place it on the charging coaster for all-day heating. Built-in auto shutoff adds extra safety, so you never have to worry about overheating. Whether you're working, reading, or relaxing, your coffee stays hot from the first sip to the last. When the sun goes down, this camping light takes over. This rechargeable, telescopic camping light packs a massive 14,000 milliamp-hour battery and pumps out up to 6,000 lumens of brightness with its adjustable 4-panel design. Extend it to over 43 inches, aim the lights exactly where you need them, or attach it to metal surfaces using the built-in magnetic base. It's also water-resistant and doubles as a portable power bank to keep your phone charged when you're off the grid. One light that's ready for every campsite, garage, or emergency. Cold food can ruin a great meal, but this gadget keeps everything warm. This electric food warming mat maintains the perfect serving temperature with 6 adjustable heat levels and a 1 to 6 hour timer. It works with glass, ceramic, and stainless steel cookware, making it perfect for family dinners, holiday parties, or buffet-style meals. The heat-resistant protective pad helps protect your table, while the built-in child lock adds extra peace of mind. It's a simple kitchen upgrade that keeps every bite warm until the very last serving. Crooked shelves and uneven picture frames? Not anymore. The Fantic D2 laser level projects bright green laser lines that are up to 4 times more visible than standard red lasers for fast, accurate alignment. It self-levels automatically, or switch to manual mode for custom angles. The compact design includes a 360-degree magnetic mount for hands-free setup, while the rechargeable battery delivers up to 10 hours of runtime.
Whether you're hanging shelves, installing cabinets, or tackling DIY projects, this tool helps you get it right the first time.
What if you could roll around your house even when you're miles away? Meet the Ebo Air 2 Plus, a smart home robot with 3K video, two-way audio, and wheels that let you explore every room from your phone. Check in on your kids, talk to your family, or play with your pets in real time. It even features AI chat mode, night vision, and automatically returns to its charging dock when the battery runs low. It's like having your own pair of eyes at home, wherever you are.
Cleaning hard-to-reach places doesn't have to be a workout. This 9-piece cleaning kit lets you dust ceiling fans, blinds, baseboards, windows, and even the space under furniture, all without dragging out a ladder. The 77-inch extension pole reaches high ceilings with ease, while the flexible microfiber heads trap dust instead of spreading it around. When you're done, just toss the washable pads in the laundry and store everything neatly in the included carrying bag. One cleaning kit for almost every corner of your home.
Throwing away spoiled food? There's a smarter way. This vacuum food sealer locks in freshness with the press of a button, helping your food stay fresh longer while preventing freezer burn. Choose between dry and moist sealing modes for everything from meat and vegetables to snacks and leftovers. Its powerful 110-watt suction creates an airtight seal in seconds, and the compact design fits neatly on any countertop. Less food waste, more savings, and fresher meals every day.
What if a knife could cut almost anything with ultrasonic power? Meet the NeoBlade, the world's smallest wireless ultrasonic cutter. Weighing just a few ounces, it uses 40,000 vibrations per second to slice through plastic, resin, acrylic, leather, wood, carbon fiber, and more with incredible precision. The 40-watt smart motor automatically adjusts power for smoother cuts, while the built-in turbo cooling system keeps the blade performing at its best. With 6 interchangeable blades and a 30-minute fast-charging battery, it's a game-changing tool for makers, hobbyists, and professionals alike.
Sleep through regular alarms? This one won't let you. This vibrating alarm clock is designed for heavy sleepers, featuring a powerful 3-level bed shaker that wakes you up without disturbing the whole house. You can pair the vibration with a buzzer, birdsong, or music for extra assurance. Dual alarms, adjustable display brightness, and a built-in USB charging port make it perfect for everyday use, while battery backup keeps your alarm ready even during a power outage. Missing your alarm just got a whole lot harder.
You don't need a Hollywood budget to capture cinematic aerial shots. The DJI Mini 3 weighs under 249 grams, so recreational pilots in many regions can fly without registration requirements. Shoot stunning 4K HDR video, capture vertical content perfect for social media, and enjoy smooth footage thanks to the 3-axis stabilized gimbal. With up to 51 minutes of flight time using the optional extended battery, 10-kilometer HD video transmission, and intelligent quick shots, it's the perfect drone for creators, travelers, and anyone ready to see the world from a whole new perspective. Don't let the size fool you. This little vacuum packs serious power. The HOTO 4-in-1 cordless vacuum delivers up to 20,000 PA of suction to clean dust, crumbs, pet hair, and dirt from your car, desk, or keyboard in seconds. But it doesn't stop there. It also blows air, inflates gear, and even vacuum seals storage bags, all with one compact tool. With 5 specialized attachments, a large dustbin, USB-C fast charging, and a premium carrying case, it's the ultimate cleaning gadget for your car, home, and office.
What if you could enjoy your music without tuning out the world? These Shokes open-ear headphones combine bone conduction and air conduction technology to deliver rich, immersive sound, while keeping your ears open to traffic, conversations, and everything around you. The lightweight, secure fit stays locked in during runs, gym sessions, and bike rides, while AI-powered noise reduction keeps your calls crystal clear, even in windy conditions. With up to 12 hours of battery life, they're built for people who never stop moving.
Imagine having all your notebooks in one device that actually feels like paper. The remarkable Paper Pro features a stunning 11.8-inch color display with a writing experience so natural you'll forget it's digital. Use the included Marker Plus to write, sketch, annotate PDFs, or convert handwritten notes into typed text in seconds. The low-glare screen is easy on your eyes, indoors or outside, and the built-in adjustable reading light keeps you productive day or night. It's the perfect digital notebook for students, professionals, and creators who think best with a pen in hand.